Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and welcome to my class UKG. I am Nidhi ma'am, your maths teacher. This is our 11th lesson and I hope that you have watched my last video and completed the given classwork. I hope that you have also done your homework correctly. Today we will learn about long and short. We will do number names 1 to 10 in cursive writing and ascending order in our maths notebook. So let us start our first topic, that is long and short. Okay children? See children, there are so many objects. Okay, some objects are long and some objects are short. Long and short में हम देखते हैं lengthwise. Okay, we will see in length. Okay, big means बड़ा and small means छोटा, but long means lengthwise you have to see. Okay, this one is long bat. Okay, and this one is short bat. See, long bat, short bat. Okay, now long scissor, short scissor. Long spoon, short spoon. Long key, short key. Long knife, short knife. Long remote, short remote. Long scale, short scale. Long comb, short comb. Long chalk, short chalk. Long book, short book. Short pencil, long pencil. Okay, now understand, this one is long and this one is short. Now see, this one is long scale and this one is short scale. Short pencil, long pencil. Okay, always see lengthwise. जो objects हमारे lengthwise होते हैं ना, that is called long and short. उनको हम long and short में बोलते हैं. Okay, now let's learn more about long and short with cute Jia. Okay children?
Today, let's compare objects using their lengths. Look at these paintbrushes. This paintbrush is long, whereas this paintbrush is short. A hockey stick is long, and a table tennis bat is short. Here is a pencil and an eraser. The pencil is long, while the eraser is short. Look at these creatures. The snake is long, whereas the caterpillar is short.
Now we will practice long and short in our maths book. Okay children? Now children, please take out your maths book and open page number 15. Now write down 11th lesson C.W class work. Read the heading with me. Long and short. TICK, tick the objects that are long. जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स आपके लॉन्ग होंगे उस पे आपको टिक करना है. ओके, क्रॉस, क्रॉस मीन्स ये क्रॉस. द ऑब्जेक्ट दैट आर शॉर्ट. जो ऑब्जेक्ट आपके शॉर्ट होंगे यू हैव टू पुट क्रॉस. ओके, नाउ रीड आफ्टर मी. THIS this, IS is a LONG long, STICK stick. THIS this is a short stick. This one is long stick. So we have put right tick here in this box. Okay. And this one is short stick. So we put cross. Now next, see. Now tell me children, which bench is long and which one is short? Yes, this one is long. So we have to put tick here, okay, in this box, and put cross in this box, okay. Now next one, which here is short? This one or this one? This one is short and this one is long. So we have to put tick in long, okay. Put tick here and put cross here. This portion is your CW classwork and this portion is your homework. Okay, ये वाले portion आपको homework में करना है. Again you have to find out which rope is long. Yes, this one is long and this one is short. Which pencil is long? Yes, this one is long and this one is short. Which scale is long? Very good. This one is long and this one is short. Okay. So you have to do this portion at homework. Okay. I hope that you have understood the concept of long and short. Now we will do number names 1 to 10 in cursive writing. Okay. All of you please look here. We will do in cursive writing. Cursive writing means सारे अल्फाबेट्स जो है ना एक दूसरे के हैंड्स को होल्ड करके रखेंगे. ओके, पहले आप कैसे करते थे? आप ऐसे लिखते थे ना, ONE1. ओके, इसमें तो किसी भी लेटर ने अपना हैंड होल्ड नहीं किया हुआ है. लेकिन नाउ वी विल डू इन कर्सिव राइटिंग. तो कर्सिव राइटिंग ऑल द लेटर्स शुड होल्ड द हैंड्स. प्लीज चिल्ड्रन लुक हियर एंड फॉलो मी. ओके, नाउ 1 ONE ONE 1. सी, सब लेटर्स ने अपने हैंड्स होल्ड किए हुए हैं. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज 2 TWO 2. Now next number is 3 THREE 3. Okay. Now next one is 4 FOUR 4. Next one is 5 FIVE 5. Now after 5 number, yes, 6. And what is the spelling of 6? SIX 6. Very good. SIX 6. Okay. Now next number is 7. SEVEN 7. Now next number is 8. EIGHT 8. Now 9. NINE 9. Next one is 10. TEN 10. Okay. Now children, please check out your maths notebook. We will do number names in cursive writing in our maths notebook. Okay. And do you remember मैम ने आपसे क्या कहा था? Please maintain your maths notebook. उसमें कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा वर्क आपको नहीं करना है. इसको डर्टी आपको नहीं करना है. ओके, नाउ राइट डाउन 11th lesson CW classwork and heading is number names. Now please see carefully. We will write down heading in cursive. Okay, NUMBER, numbers, names. Okay, leave one line. Okay, now start from here. 1 dash एंड सी मैम बिल्कुल लाइन से, ये वाला लाइन से टच करके लिख रही है, आपको भी वैसे ही लिखना है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर क्लास वर्क. ONE 1, ONE 1. Now write down 2. See, first go up, then W, then O. TWO 2. बिल्कुल मैम को फॉलो करो और फिर मैम को देख देख के वर्क स्टार्ट करो. ओके, नाउ गो अप, मेक THREE 3 4 FOUR 4. Next number is 5. FIVE 5. Next number is 6. SIX 6. Next number is 7. SEVEN 7. 8. EIGHT 8. Okay, next number 9. NINE 9. And 1 0 10 TEN 10. Okay, now see, our class work is finished. बिल्कुल एज इट इज यू ऑल्सो डू. ओके, जैसे मैंने किया है, यू ऑल्सो डू क्लास वर्क लाइक दिस. नाउ आई एम गिविंग यू अ होमवर्क. प्लीज डू इट प्रॉपरली. ओके, फर्स्ट राइट डाउन HW होमवर्क 11th lesson. Heading also. Okay, write heading also. NUMBER, number, names. Okay, see, do it properly children. Okay, please promise me that you will finish your homework beautifully and properly. Okay, now we will revise ascending order once again. Do you remember? मैंने आपको ascending order का क्या बताया था? Small to big means first you write small number, then उससे big number, then उससे big number, then उससे big number. Okay, we will do this work on board first, then we will do in our notebook. Okay, now look here. Now tell me children, which number is smallest number in this row? 69 is smallest? No. 84? No. 70? No. 33? No. 28? Yes. अगर मान लीजिए आपके पास 28 टॉफीज हैं और बाकी फ्रेंड्स के पास 33, 70, 84, 69, तो सबसे लेस टॉफीज किसके पास हुई? यस, आपके पास. तो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर इज फॉर 28. तो यू हैव टू राइट 28 here. Okay, 2 8 28. And now find out. अब 28 is done. मैम ने क्या बताया था? जो हो जाए उसको आप यहाँ पे ऐसे टिक कर दो. मीन्स अब आपको ये वाला नंबर नहीं देखना है. या तो आप इसमें सर्कल लगा दो या आप इसमें टिक कर दो. वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट यू डू. इसलिए करते हैं कि आपको कंफ्यूजन ना हो, नहीं तो आप इसमें भी ढूंढते रहोगे. ओके, नाउ 28 and we have written in the box, so don't see 28 number. Now rest of the numbers 69, 84, 70, 33. Which is the smallest number? Yes, very good. 33. So after 28 you have to write here 33. Now again put tick. Okay, now see 69, 84, 70. Which one is smallest number? 69. Very good. Write down 69. Now put tick. Now find out 84 and 70. Which one is smallest? 70 toffees less होती है या 84? 70. तो 70 is the smallest number. You have to write here 70, 70. Okay, now only 84 is left. 84. Okay, this line is done. Okay, now next line B. Now find out smallest number in this line. Okay, which one is smallest number? 45, 38, 63, 50 or 4? Yes, 4 is smallest number. So first you write 4. Okay, now put tick. Now 45, 38, 63, 50. Which one is smallest number? 38. Very good. Now put again tick. Now find out 45, 63, 50. Which one is smallest number? Yes, 45. Now only two numbers are left. 63 or 50. Which one is smallest? 63 or 50? Yes, 50. So first you write 50 here. Now write 63. Okay. This line is also done. Okay. 4 is smallest, then 4 से bigger number is 38. 38 से bigger number is 45. 50 is bigger than 45 and 60 is bigger than 50. Okay. Now first small, then उससे big, उससे big, उससे big. Okay. Now all of you find out smallest number in this line. 86, 24, 6, 19, 73. Which one is smallest? Yes, 6 number. Put tick and write down 6 here. Okay, now don't see 6 number. Okay, अब आपको 6 number को नहीं देखना है क्योंकि already we have written 6 number in this box. Okay, now 86, 24, 19, 73. Which one is smallest? This one, this one, this one or this one? Yes, 19. Very good. 19. Put again tick. Now leave these numbers, okay? Because इनको हमारा house मिल गया है, तो आपको इन दोनों को numbers को नहीं देखना है. Now 86, 24, 73. Which one is smallest? Yes, 24. Write down here 24. Now in 86 and 73. Which one is smallest? 73. Very good. And last number is 86. Done. Okay, now next line. 17, 23, 9, 36, 53. Which one is smallest number? Yes, 9. Put tick, write down 9 here. Now 17, 23, 36, 53. Which one is smallest? Yes, 17. Right here, 17. 23, 36, 53. Which one is smallest? Yes, 23. Now find out 36 or 53. Which one is smallest? Yes, 36. Write down here 36. And last number is 53. Done. Understood? Easy है ना? आपको बस ये याद रखना है, इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर फर्स्ट सबसे पहले स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर यू हैव टू राइट फर्स्ट, फिर उससे बिगर, देन उससे बिगर, देन उससे बिगर. ओके, नाउ वी विल डू असेंडिंग ऑर्डर इन अवर मैथ्स नोटबुक. सो प्लीज टेक आउट योर मैथ्स नोटबुक एंड पेंसिल. ओके, नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट अवर क्लास वर्क. फर्स्ट यू राइट डाउन 11th lesson CW classwork and heading is ascending order. Okay, if you have a color pencil, do it with color pencil. Okay, if you have no color pencil, do it with pencil. Okay, now 69, 84, 70, 33, 28. Which is the smallest number? 28. First you write down 28. ओके, लीव वन बॉक्स, एक बॉक्स छोड़ देना, नहीं तो बिल्कुल गैप नहीं रहेगा तो इट्स लुक डर्टी. ओके, नाउ एंड पुट टिक. नाउ 69, 84, 70, 33. विच वन इज स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर? इन सारों में से स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर कौन सा है? आपको 28 नहीं देखना है क्योंकि 28 तो ऑलरेडी हम यहाँ लिख चुके हैं. अब इनमें से फाइंड आउट करना है आपको. यस, 33. नाउ राइट डाउन 33. Okay, now 69, 84, 70. Which one is smallest number? 69. Write down 69. Now find out smallest number in both the numbers. 84 or 70. Which one is smallest? Yes, 70. Write down here 70, 70. Now only 84 is left. Write down here 84. Okay, our this line is complete. Now B. See 45, 38, 63, 54. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 4. Write down here 4. Now 45, 38, 63, 50. Which one is the smallest? 38. Write down here 38. Now 45, 63, 50. Which one is smallest? 45. Now find out 63 or 50. Which one is the smallest? 50. And this one is 63 is the last number. Done. Now C. 86, 24, 6, 19, 73. Which one is smallest? 6. Now 86, 24, 19, 73. Yes, 19. 86, 24, 73. Which one? Yes, 24. Now 86 and 73. Which one is smallest? 73. And last number is 86. Write down here 86. Okay, this line is also done. Now D. 17, 23, 9, 36, 53. Which one is smallest? 9. 17, 23, 36, 53. Yes, 17. 23, 36, 53. Which one is smallest? 23. 36, 53. Which one is the smallest number? 36. And last number is 53. Done. Our classwork is done. Just like I did classwork, so will you. Okay, and do it properly and neatly. Okay, now I am giving you homework. Please see. Write down HW homework 11th lesson. Write down heading. Ascending order. Okay. Now I am giving you a homework. Please do it properly. Okay, children? Parents, kindly make sure that your child should do classwork and homework properly in maths notebook. And please note that no other work should be done in the maths notebook. Now, as a revision, I am giving you homework in your maths book. Okay? You have to do page number 10 and 12 as your homework. I hope that you understood today's lesson. Thank you for watching this educational video. Stay healthy, stay safe. Goodbye.